Ready to level up your cooking? In this video, we're showcasing the top 6 kitchen gadgets that will make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. Get ready for game-changing tools you won't be able to live without. Let's get cooking. The Techwood electric indoor grill is a versatile and large non-stick cooking surface, perfect for parties and family fun. It features a reversible grill plate with both grooved and flat sides for different cooking needs, from grilling meats and veggies to making pancakes and crepes. With adjustable temperature controls and 8 individual cheese melt pans, this grill ensures healthy, no-oil cooking and easy cleanup. The non-stick coating adds convenience and enhances cooking efficiency. Plus, it comes with a 30-day hassle-free return policy and an 18-month warranty, offering peace of mind with your purchase. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set is a high-quality, rust-proof tool designed for effortless garlic and ginger mincing. Its ergonomic handle ensures easy squeezing with minimal effort, while the built-in studs extract more paste quickly, keeping peels in the chamber. Ideal for both professional and home kitchens, this versatile tool can also crush seeds, onions, and nuts. It's easy to clean, either by rinsing or using a dishwasher. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this garlic press is a must-have addition to any kitchen. The Zule Kitchen Cast Iron Orange Juice Squeezer is a durable, heavy-duty manual citrus press designed to extract every drop of juice from fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, and more. Its 5-inch diameter bowl accommodates various fruit sizes, and the comfortable grip handle ensures easy, efficient juicing without electricity or batteries. Built with sturdy cast iron and a rubberized base, it stays stable during use and is dishwasher-friendly for quick cleanup. Perfect for both professional and home kitchens, this juicer is backed by a lifetime guarantee for added peace of mind. The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener is a durable, easy-to-use tool designed for effortless can and bottle opening. Featuring a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel, it smoothly pierces cans, while the oversized ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip with minimal effort. The easy-to-turn knob ensures maximum control, making it ideal for those with limited hand strength. This 2-in-1 tool also includes a built-in bottle opener, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The Priority Chef Large Potato Ricer is a heavy-duty, stainless steel kitchen tool designed to make mashed potatoes smoother and fluffier with minimal effort. Its 15 Oz capacity and 3M ricer holes allow for quicker, finer results, while the anti-slip cushioned handles provide easy leverage for comfortable use. Ideal for mashing potatoes and other veggies like carrots, yams, and even making baby food, this ricer is dishwasher safe, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Whether you're a home cook or a professional, it's a versatile and essential tool for your kitchen. The FRTONI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers a convenient, one-hand automatic operation for effortless seasoning. With a rechargeable design using advanced Type-C fast charging, the grinders can be fully charged in just 1 hour, and a quick 5-minute charge is enough for daily use. The 5 ml adjustable coarseness allows you to customize your grind, while the 70mm see-through containers reduce the need for frequent refilling. Built with durable 304 stainless steel and featuring LED lights for precise seasoning, this set is perfect for pepper, salt, and other spices, making it an essential tool in any kitchen.